Okay, here's a second video. We noticed that the amplifier is not even mounted. It's literally just laying in there. So, let's see what we come up with. I'm going to pull the headlight out now and go a little further. Was that connected or did it just fall out? Right rear, that's probably why it's not even working. Before you pull that out, plug this in. Look, that's not even mounted either, just laying in there.
The headlight is not mounted either.
All right.
They're cut.
They cut the headlight? I'll probably get the 2 amps in there. Plug that back in real quick. And then just turn the bike on and see if that back speaker works. You're good.
You can hold this?
Like, yeah, I'll hold it. Good.
God forbid.
Yep, I got it.
The light?
Yep, I got it.
Amp,
I got it. I'm recording. It's on real quick and see if that speaker even works. It's working now? Okay. All right, shut it off. So that's the downside of not mounting anything when you do an install. This, which I believe is probably the Sound Digital DSP, not even mounted, and the amp is not even mounted. So we're going to stop this video and we'll probably make another one when we're done. Hey, it's Dave from Rolling Thunder Audio again with another video. Actually, this is the second video of this bike. The first one we did, we're calling this the installation rescue. I don't know if you watched the first video, but everything seemed to work okay. The installation part was just really bad. Not so much wiring, it was the mounting of the amplifiers and the DSP. If you watched the first video, one of these amplifiers was down under here, just Velcroed with, if I can grab this here, with just some basic Velcro, I guess. So we basically put an amp rack in here and mounted both amps to the amp rack. The DSP originally was just laying in here, just bouncing around. We are putting it now under here. It'll be mounted underneath the radio nice and tight. So hopefully when we're all done, everything should be perfect and we should have another happy customer. All right, till next time.